Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can create a new playlist on YouTube Music. So, let's get started. Firstly, open YouTube Music app in your device. Then tap on Library. Next, you can see the option of New. Tap on it. After that, tap on Playlist. Then give title to your playlist. Next, tap on Create. So, this is how you can create a playlist on YouTube Music. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.